Hi everyone, in front of me is VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to enable demo mode on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries. We've got the video of how to enable the developer options, how to turn them on using the build number. So just find it and follow, and then let's go back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down to find System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got two different switchers. So first of all, we can turn it on just by tapping on this switcher, but actually nothing changed. We can show the demo mode just by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see we've got some differences on the status bar. The hour is different than it was before. What's more, all the icons are in their full state. So this is how the demo mode looks like and works. So obviously you can hide the demo mode but still keep it turned on just by tapping on the switcher. So as you can see, everything got back to its normal state, but the demo mode is still on. Obviously you can turn it off just by tapping on this one. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.